Now look at this beautiful flower. Absolutely beautiful. It opened yesterday already and it wasn't so nice. And today, man, this is such a beautiful flower. And honestly, this was a very simple cross. This was not a cross between like 5 different Lubivia. This is just Lubivia winteriana crossed with Echinopsis subdenudata. Absolutely amazing result. Like, this is a cross from 2020, I think. Yeah, I'm super happy with these. This is one of my best hybrids so far, and it's such a simple cross. Truly amazing what you can achieve sometimes by just crossing two completely different plants. Lubivia crossed with Echinopsis.